Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 20 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to type on a path inside of InDesign. So to type on a path, first you need a path. So it can be something like a shape over here, an elliptical tool, or a text frame as well. So let me just take the frame over here and let me just take this as well. So usually when I take the type tool and then click over here, it actually types inside the path and not on the path. So if I were to click over here as well, you see that it types inside the path. I do not want to type inside, but I want to type on path itself, to create something like a round effect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into text over here, and then I'm going to say type on path tool. You can see this. You click and hold it, you can see that there's type on path tool. So just click on this. And then if you were to click on the path that you want to type, now you can see that this is actually typing on the path itself, and you can create a roundest type of design just like that. You can just click over here and you can see that it actually types on a path just like this. The beauty of this is that you can take something like a pen tool, draw a custom path like this. Alright, so it doesn't have to be closed, it can be open as well. Just take the type on the path tool, click it, and you can see that now my text follows along the path just like that. And this really helps to create a very unique design just like that. So you can have pictures inside over here that'll work out normally. And over here, what you can also do is you can choose different styles for the path that you type in. So what you can do is you can go over here, something like, let's say over here onto the type, you can see type on a path, and you can go to option. So inside of option, you can see that right now I'm in a rainbow effect. That means it follows the path, and you can skew this, and that it gives a different effect like that over there. You can also increase the spacing of the path and so forth. You can also go to 3D ribbon, like stair step type of design over here as well. You can also go for gravity, so that gives a very unique look, as you can see over there. And you can also change to ascender, that's within the path, your descender that goes off the path, and you can increase the spacing just like this and so forth. So you can go for a center line and so forth. You can also, like, let's see the change over here. So let's go over to type on a path. Alright, so let me just go to type on a path, go to option over here, and you can see that you got the rainbow, you got the skew, that gives a skew effect. You can choose the ribbon, that's not really a good step. There's the staircase, it aligns all of the text in same base, and then there's the gravity. In circular, the gravity does not work that well. So let's apply gravity to this, it gives a different effect. So what I can do is I can go to a path over here, go to option right here, and then I'm gonna say gravity, and you can see that it actually changes the gravity over here onto the center line point just like that. Alright, so if you do not want a path, then what you can simply do is you select the area, you go to type, and then over here on type on a path section, you can just say delete type on path, and that will remove it out. So you can select this, go to type, and then on the type on a path, you can just delete type on a path over here, and then select this out, go over here on type on a path, delete it. So you can see that this is how you can type on a path inside of Adobe InDesign. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.